Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. On Tuesday, November 26, 2024, I received a news alert that the detained leader or the detained prime minister of Biafra government in exile, Simon Ekpa, had been released. When I saw that news alert, I began to do my own research. First of all, I checked the mainstream media in Nigeria. There was nothing like that. I then checked foreign media sources. I didn't see anything like that. When I check all these traditional media and then call some sources that I know in Finland, I discovered that it was not true that Simon Ekpa had been set free. But the feelers I got was that his lawyers are doing a lot to ensure that he got good representation, and that and I was made to understand from the Nigerian sources that I spoke with that some political leaderships are in Finland are rallying around him, and they drew my attention to the fact that Finland itself does not even recognize IPOB, the indigenous people of Biafra, as a terrorist organization. That Finland, like the rest of the European Union, Finland is a member of the European Union, do not consider IPOB as a terrorist organization. And I was reminded that was why IPOB is operating in all European nations without hindrance. So that was what I was told. And the person also enlightened me about the fact that those who are thinking that Ekpa will be extradited to Nigeria, that they are just wasting their time, that there's no way that Finland will extradite Ekpa to Nigeria. And that's whatever they need to be done will be done in Finland if there was to be any prosecution or whatever. But right now, both the Nigerians and the media in that country are in the dark of what is going on. That was what I found out. But the issue of extradition to Nigeria, I had earlier done a video where I made it clear that it will be difficult for Finland to extradite Nigeria and Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. And I gave some facts that makes it difficult for Nigeria to be qualified to make such a demand, because Nigeria has a very bad human rights record. Okay, remember that in 2022, the United Nations Human Rights Council investigated the rendition by the Nigerian government of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, to Nigeria. And the United Nations Human Rights Council concluded that Nigeria violated international law. As a result of that, they also violated the rights of Nnamdi Kanu and demanded his immediate release. That was 2022. Today we're in 2024. 2024 is about to finish. Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. So that's a bad record So when you have such a record, how do you think the world will look at you when you say you want them to extradite somebody to you? Nobody listens to you. Look at how Nigeria treated the Binance executives. The Binance executives were invited by the Nigerian government, claimed that it was those who are trading in cryptocurrency. That was why Naira is performing so bad. That they were the ones behind the Naira problem. Now, they invited two Binance executives to come and enlighten them on their operation in Nigeria. When these guys came to Nigeria, you know what Nigeria did? According to the Binance, go and you can Google it. You can Google Binance executive kidnapped in Nigeria. If you type it, you are going to see a report by the Bloomberg newspaper in America talking about how the Binance people say that their people were kidnapped in Nigeria. But they were invited to come and give explanation to Nigerian government. Nigerian government, they claim, they now say Nigerian government kidnapped them and put them on trial. Luckily enough for one of them earlier on, he escaped from Nigeria. Then the other one suffered ill health and everything. And he was detained in Nigeria for several months. American government, because this are American, the last one was an American citizen. I think all of them are an American citizen. The last one was an American government keep on putting pressure on Nigeria. After several months, suffering several ill healths, this young man was eventually sent back to his country. He was taken to court severally, and there were all kinds of drama. At the end of the day, Nigerian government have not told Nigerians why did they return the young man. Why did they tell the guy to go back? Have they arrested the reason why Naira is performing badly? Have they now told the world what they found out from Binance? So when you have such an abysmal record, you can't be talking about somebody being extradited to you for you to be able to carry out whatever. I'm not an advocate of Simon Ekpa, but I'm telling you what the record as an unbiased analyst, as a journalist. I'm just telling you what the international community is going to look at because extradition is not a small business. It may not mean anything to poor African countries, but they take it seriously. In European nations, they don't extradite somebody in a country that has poor record. Even the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu had drawn attention to the fact that there was an order that Nnamdi Kanu should be allowed to change his dress. But since he was rendition, have you seen him wear any clothes except that one he had been wearing? There are certain clothes they say he cannot wear. Where is that done? So when you have all this kind of record, and these records are in public domain, anybody who type into Google will see it. Why should Nigeria expect that he will be extradited? Even though the Enugu state government says it's ready to provide evidence, I think whatever evidence they will provide, they have to send it to Finland. That's what it means. But if it is to provide evidence here in Nigeria, with the hope that he will be extradited to Nigeria, I think from what I have heard, from the feelers I got from people over there, and from my own independent research on how Finland does these things and how European Union does these things, there is no way Nigeria is qualified for extradition of Simon Ekpa to this country. That's the truth. The only thing Nigeria can continue to wait is to find out eventually what will be the process of investigation. Have they concluded the investigation? Have they started prosecution? Okay, that's what they should be waiting for. Don't forget, this is not the first time that someone Ekpa had been arrested, but this is the first time he had stayed with the security people this long. Remember when he was arrested about 2 years ago or a year ago, 2 years ago, thereabout. It didn't take a whole day when he was sent home. Okay, and at that time, the police in Finland said that it was just they were doing routine investigation. But right now, the thing has gotten. Right now, his being held by the police had gone beyond the previous time, and this time he was not alone. That time he was arrested alone. Now he was arrested alongside 4 other people. So the best thing is for Enugu state government that say has something evidence to prepare to present it at Finland. But any thoughts of extraditing him to Nigeria is dead on arrival. Nigeria does not qualify for that. Nigeria has to put its house in order. It has to show the world that it believes in rule of law and not rule of impunity. I don't know what you think about the latest rumor that Ekpa had been released and all that, and the Nigeria's expectation that he be extradited to them, especially don't forget the Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa, had made a call for Finland to extradite Ekpa to Nigeria. What is your position on that? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you, and please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.